In this video, we are going to look on how to open a Monzo Flex account. First, you will need to sign up, so follow the in-app steps. You need to provide some personal information like your home address, email, and phone number. Number 2, verify your identity. You will be asked to take a photo of your ID or your passport or driving license or your national ID card and a selfie video to confirm your identity. Number 3, choose your account. Select the free Monzo current account option, or you can also choose other options if you want. Number 4, activate your card. Once your physical card arrives, which it does in a few days, you will have to follow the instructions in the app to activate it. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.